Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Harsha. I am a Pega trainer at Harsha Trainings. I hope all of you are doing good. And this message is regarding a Pega training new batch that has been started 3 days back. So we are done with demo sessions, day 1, day before yesterday and today. And all of you, those who have attended last 3 days or maybe today, then I request all of you to continue to attend tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the first regular session after the demo classes. So I request not to miss the tomorrow session at any cost. If any one of you have missed past 3 days and tomorrow you want to give a fresh beginning, then you are welcome, no issues. During the weekend, please try to finish the last 3 days videos. And tomorrow, any one of you, even if you miss the last 3 days or any one day, tomorrow you will be able to understand for sure. There is no issue attending or giving a fresh beginning tomorrow. Those who are attending online, continue to attend online. You wish to come down to classroom, you can come down. And classroom students, I request you to continue to attend classroom program. Okay, so thank you. Hope to meet you all tomorrow in the session. And online students use same meeting link, and offline students please be available on. Thank you. Bye.